All right, the last two examples that I'm going to go over are pretty basic. I just threw in some numbers so that you could see how exponents plays a role with this. If I was asked to convert this fraction into an exponent form, I would need to think about how I can break the numerator and the denominator into something that is exponentable, if that makes any sense. I know for a fact 8 is the same thing as 2 to the third, which is great. I see a base, I see an exponent, that's what I want. The 1 can stay the same. I know that 2 to the third being in the denominator is the same thing as making the base raised to a negative exponent. So if I asked you to convert 1/8 into something with base 2 exponent form, this would be my final answer, 2 to the negative third. The other examples that you might see is something where there's a fraction being raised to an exponent. We know we need to raise everything inside that fraction to that exponent. So that means I'm doing 5x to the third for this example and 3y to the third. Okay, the top and the bottom do get raised to that third power. 5x to the third is the same thing as 5x times 5x times 5x. If I want to break it up even more, I can just do the 5 times 5 times 5, which gives me 125. And the x to the third can just stay x to the third. X times x times x. On the bottom, 3y to the third is the same thing as 3y times 3y times 3y. I know that the 3 times 3 times 3 would give me a 27 coefficient, and the y times y is just y to the third. Okay? Hopefully all of these examples, all of these explanations help you. If they don't, please send me questions or try and comment on these videos. And later on in the week, if there's a ton of questions, I'll try and answer them. Okay? Otherwise, have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you next week in our next video. Bye.